Alrighty. Good morning. Uh, been chilling, man. Taking some naps and entered a little long. Took profit, didn't signal it. Uh, I guess I wish I did, but whatever. How the cookie crumbles. I don't want to hear any. No one got no room to bitch. Uh, took profits at the spider line. Still got a little left on the board. Oh shit. Sure does. It's easier, in my opinion, and many others. Forex in the stock market, a lot easier. Uh, Man, before I fell asleep, I wanted to shout out a Lockheed Martin signal, and so far it was up $2 from where I was gonna do it, but I didn't. Just decent 30 minute money flow. Just this is your example of the stock market. In the red, it goes up after, especially in the trend that it's been in for whatever, however long. Look at the hourly. Hourly's nice with the beautiful momentum head and shoulders right there. Momentum coming up. Looked at it because I saw these motherfuckers were buying Germany. Germany's apparently buying more of their fucking jets instead of uh, building. But we've been long overall on Lockheed Martin and oil and Raytheon since November 5th of 2020. Still in those positions. Let's take a look. I believe it's up like 70% off the top of my head, but we'll find out. 30%, never mind, 30%. Raytheon's probably about the same. No, Raytheon was the one that's 50-60%. Never mind. Wait. I don't trade Forex, bro. But we got a handful of people in our group that do. Uh, I was thinking about making a video the other day. Um, well, today the time frames, more time frames kind of show a similar thing, where yesterday each time frame showed the opposite. This 3-hour has been the strong one though. But again, it's later in the trend, and it's following pretty much, I mean, pretty straight fucking trend line for the most part, at least right here on this one overall. You know, whatever that means. You know, overall the thing's been doing the sideways spring. Sideways. Daily could certainly look much worse. Money flow increase, momentum increase. That's good. RSIs are green, looking like they've consolidated a little bit. A lot of fighting going on in here. Just like everywhere else in the world. It's the fog of war. You know, I was gonna do I thought of a terrific bingo password. But I don't feel like playing bingo. And I wanted to say this thing, but I also wanted to save it for bingo. And that saying is, well, let me ask you guys. What's the first thing that dies in a war? What is the first casualty of war? That's right. That's right. Someone watched the same video as me. Or maybe we're all just smart. Let's all pretend we didn't see Tulsa Gap. But yeah, man, I was like, damn. So true. Talk about the fog of war, man. They're just fucking, man. Oh my god, so much money slush. And I hate to talk about it. I hate to talk about it, but man, I'm telling you, I haven't been streaming, I haven't been trading, I haven't been doing much. I don't even want to go outside. Every time I go outside, there's a fucking car accident. It's just, God. Literally, tonight there was a car accident. My girl was on the way over here. This fucking old dude in a Cadillac. She thinks he was drunk, but his fucking tire blew. They weren't on the freeway either. He was hauling ass on a normal street. Blew a tire, was swerving left and right in every lane, and wham! Right into a fucking pole. Head on. She said he probably could be dead. But there was a bunch of other people and they all stopped, so I told her, keep your ass fucking going. Get the fuck off the road. Yeah, the answer is the truth. Yes, if I didn't say it already. Truth is the first casualty of war. Yeah, there's certain times where I drive the Rari. Certainly rush hour traffic is not a time when people are like, oh, let's go at 5 o'clock. I'm like, I sure ain't taking a Rari. accidents, that's a good one. Um, yeah, I must say, it's interesting. Uh, Very interesting this is. Very interesting. I'll be right back. run to the gas station real quick. Give a couple bums $20. Well, one bum. Man, it's funny how serious some people take shit that has nothing to do with them. For the last week, even just like the last 2 trades, not 3, but the last 2. You know, really we're just firing shots. It wasn't like long the farm, oh, this is gonna happen. And boy, I tell you, man, some people really fucking go crazy. Some people really go crazy. Everybody's gone fucking crazy. Thank you, EP. I appreciate it. And how it transpired. Pulled up to the gas. At first, I pulled up to a pump and I saw there was a space open in between 2 other cars, and there was a bum in a blanket, jittering and walking around, saying shit to himself. And as soon as I got out of my truck, I walked to the door without looking at him. He went, "You got 50 cents to $1, $1." I said, "No." And I went inside, and they were actually only accepting cash. And so I asked the cashier if he could break a $100 bill, or if he has change for a $100 bill when I bought my little things I was buying. And I figured at that moment, I was like, oh, by the way, the guy dropped the change on the ground. No, I don't take it. I said, give it to put it in the kitty bucket jar. Put the change in the kitty jar. And so I took my change. I went out there and I gave the jittering, talking bum just a $20 bill and walked away. And he started talking to himself and jittering. That's it. There, I turned my audio up. I'm not talking loud. Nighttime. Man, would you shut up, bro? This don't mean anything. This trade don't mean it. Nobody cares. Nobody fucking is sitting here hoping for fucking. So who cares? Nobody cares, bro. Shut the fuck up. This was a $2 million try. I already closed half of it. Whatever. I don't care if it goes. Nobody cares right now. Okay, this isn't fucking life changing. This is nobody fucking cares. Just wanted to fuck. I've been playing some. But just woke up playing a couple video games with my girl. I'm fucking streaming. We're fucking chilling. But this was my take profit point. This was the short-term target, um, which is why I closed half of the trade. But there is also opportunity for a larger time frame if I wanted to leave this in here for the larger time frame. Retard. Yeah, that was at the grocery store, the shrunken drumstick issue. That's in all grocery stores. I guess gas stations too, but new progression. We are moving fast with the PD the Pencil Neck NFTs. Same reason I use hiking shoes on the long any time frame, brother. You use both, but yeah, there's no difference between a lower time frame candle and a higher time frame candle. It does the same thing. Hiking shoes were developed by the same Japanese bloodline that created these candles we use normally, and they use hiking shoes. Better at averaging, prettier on the eyes, easier to identify patterns. A lot of salty people right now. Not necessarily in this chat right now. The chat looks like it's actually pretty cool. You guys are mostly cool. I haven't seen any bad cookies yet, but Twitter's where the ugly motherfuckers, man. Twitter's fucking a lot of ugly shit in Twitter. It's fucking crazy. That's how everyone's Twitter. Like, God, where do these people come from? Where do these people fucking come from? Hang on, let me wash my hands. Alrighty. Yeah, man, you're welcome. The mugs are. I use the mugs. I use the mugs. I use the mugs. They're just terrific. Where's my entry here? 3. Not bad. with the free markets here. Am I still long on oil? Hell yes, I am. What's it at right now? $97. Yeah, man. The day that all those people were fucking buying calls for $200, JP Morgan came out saying oil $200 gonna go there. That's when it started to sell off. But yeah, oil's gonna be volatile like crypto right now. Mm, interesting. Oh, interesting. Did I catch the GameStop pump? Hell no. Hell no. I get asked that question a lot, actually. That's generally one of the, especially last year, but I guess not as much lately because I have been avoiding the public much more lately. But um, like when someone's like, "What do you do?" or so, or like someone is like, "Oh, you're a crypto, you trader, YouTuber, crypto," or whatever. They're always like, "GameStop, GameStop, you know that GameStop, man?" Like, no. I'm not saying there's anything bad about it. I'm not talking shit about people who played, trade GameStop. But, no. Oh boy, I tell you what, we do have to. Let's take a look at BB. Let's look at our baby. How's our baby doing? Oh, baby. This is a fat move. This is like a 25% move. We got 27. Average entry now is 27, 11, 24. 27, 06, close enough. We'll give Ben 25% so far. Still not short. I would love to see this come down more. I would love to see this come down another 25%. especially because the company fundamentally is just absolutely in the shit. That's one good thing. That's one benefit in the stock market. Um, well, I guess there's some in crypto too, but it's just harder to do because there's not as much liquidity and many other reasons. But there are shit companies that are just so fun to short. Bed Bath and Beyond, shit company, and many others. Companies that are just doomed. Basically, it's only a matter of time until they disappear. Um, what are some other doomed companies do you think? What are some good, fun, shitter companies that are doomed to fail but are still there? JC Penney, of course. Yes, AMP is the shit token I was referring to. Like a shit token like AMP, we know that is doomed to fail. That would be something fun to short. But also, there's of course like big spikes and shit, so it's more dangerous because it is not as, uh, you know, really ain't no liquidity in that shit. Weight Watchers, interesting. Weight Watchers, that's a good one. I don't know though, dude. Weight Watchers, health is big, you know. So, what's their stock ticker? What's Weight Watchers stock ticker? Because I do believe there's some, aren't they? Are they? Wait, WW. Who'd know? Let's look at WW. Another. Damn. This really has. This is the weekly. My gosh, where have we been? Where have we been? Where have we been? Weight Watchers. Looking a little skinny. Is this Weight Watchers? Commodities is killing all of them. Commodities has to be killing them. Has to be killing them. And if not them, the customer. They really, really are, they just barely send you any food and they say, oh, we're a diet plan. Trying to lose weight. Here, let us rip you off. Pay $20 a meal for, nothing. Pasta. They're pasta celery chopped linguine that you have to reheat. A gray fucking pesto. Great. Yeah, man, this thing has been volatile, but in a boring, shitty way, in a unfoundational way. Wow, look at this pump and dump that happened earlier today, or tonight. That's funny. What is this, 5%? Yeah. That shit went up 5% in an hour, almost 2 hours, and we came right back down. Hilarious. What would happen to GameStop Metaverse? Well, I mean, I think Metaverse VR is extremely overrated because the technology of virtual reality has been there. Uh, and the reason why there's not more virtual reality products and services is because people do not buy it. Putting a VR headset on sucks. You look stupid. It's unhealthy for your eyes. You can't see anything around you. Uh, not saying that there aren't people that play and use virtual reality, but you know, a lot of money has been lost in the virtual reality space. A lot. Take a look at oil, rice, and beans. We've already looked at oil. Take a look at rice. Looking terrific since November 5th. 30% on rice. Now, some of you may say, that's nothing, that's nothing. 30%, it's not like Bitcoin. Bitcoin. But you see, that means that rice is much more involved in everyone's life than Bitcoin. You can't eat Bitcoin. You can't make chicken Bitcoin tiki masala with Bitcoin. There's no transaction fees with rice. You can't feed people. You can feed people with it. Rice. It's very popular from in the west, from the eastern hemisphere to the western traditions. Rice has gone up 30%. That means if you're paying $2.99 for old Ben Leary's, it's now $3.99. coffee. Coffee bean is up 100%. What the hell is this? Peekaboo beans? What is this, like Beanie Babies? What's peekaboo beans? I have a hard time believing it has anything to do with beans. Soybean. Oh, who would have thought? Who would have guessed betas take over the government? Soy goes up 35%. Wow, look at this soy head and shoulders. Oh, inflation. Oh. I'd say beans is a good investment. I think beans. I'd say beans. Just as good as gold. Hell, maybe better. Probably better. Fuck gold. Bean. .1 hour looking bearish? No. I wouldn't necessarily say that, no. It's a little choppy. Could have a little clip right here, a little temperance. It is at a spider line, but I would not say that the 1 hour is bearish. But what do you mean bearish? Do you mean bearish for the next hour, day, month, year? I've already taken profit on my trade. The target, we were right on target, was 40,000 for 40, 45, 40,005, 40,004. That's where I took profits. And probably just letting this little 9 hundo sit. See if potentially it'll turn into a cushion if I want to get in something. Um, I'm looking at the position of these RSIs in the previous dumps and pumps. Don't know if it means anything or not, but currently, yes, they are green, but they're up here. In this one, RSIs kind of getting the grass, and in this one, they were lower at the end of the money flow regime. In this money flow regime, they were up here and spaced. This one, they were small and tight. This one went straight up. This one went up for a little bit and eventually went down more. This one is higher. So does that mean it could come up maybe a little bit and then go down more? I don't know. Maybe. Um, the smart thing to do here is certainly take the money. You're trading for your family. Wait for the price to come back down. See if we can slowly limit out. Catch a few knives. Price. Loud as hell. not every trade you can fucking limit out so easily. That's nice. This is nice. Yeah, I would imagine the Fed stuff will have a short reaction. It always does. I mean, it always does, doesn't it? So I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin and everything else drops and then gets bought up. So I don't know. When's the announcement? When's the announcement? Bitcoin. Bitcoin. You can't eat Bitcoin. You can't make chicken tikka Bitcoin. You can make chicken tikka rice. You can eat rice. Everybody eats rice. Does everybody have Bitcoin? Because the stream is delayed like 20 seconds, I'm pretty sure. And so I'm pretty sure the actually, you caught me. I have a script that the Chinese want me to say. And this is all scripted. Oh, I'm gonna miss being in this trade. I hate it when I close a trade on stream because then I know that stream's coming to an end. Because there's nothing else to do. There's nothing else to talk about. I can show you better than I can tell you. You know? What a lot of these pencil necks just don't understand. Trading and streaming and trading are two different things. Very much two different things. Two different goals. Not even goals. I wouldn't even call it goals. I would just say two different things. Why sell my position? Because it hit my target. Um, if it breaks out, cool. And kind of just don't feel like you know, I don't know. No big deal. I'm up. This made up for my losses. This made up for um, pretty sure like almost all, if not all, my last the last few L's. Everyone always says you're supposed to sell when it's in the green. I'm selling in the green. That's what you do. Unnatural, isn't it? It don't feel right for you, doesn't it? That's why you said that, wasn't it? Can I show you entry earlier next time? No. It's fucking annoying. There's too many pencil necks out. I only stream when it's in the green from now on. From now on. No green, no stream. Ain't nobody counter trade. The whole counter trading thing is a myth. Um, People on Twitter are just people that have alternative motives that attack me, or they're fucking weirdos. No matter how many times, like I give out when I start a stream and when I enter a trade during a stream, it doesn't matter how many times I do it. They're gonna say the same thing. Um, what's up, Anutpa? How you doing, brother? My target was 40,500. That was the target. This was the entry. This was the target. I do short. We've had many short streams. This channel is damn near, maybe even 6 years old. There's plenty of shorts. I can't always control, the market doesn't care about what time of day or night that I am looking at it or playing it. If I wake up and I believe I can make money on the price going up in the immediate term, then I will long it. If I wake up and I believe I can make money in the immediate short term, shorting it, then I will short it. I don't sit here, when people give the excuse that they don't have enough time to trade, I always tell them that's exactly why you should trade. Well, not, I don't say that. I don't really encourage, I've never encouraged anyone to fucking trade. That's for damn sure. But if I think someone, if someone's wants to do it or is doing it, and they have the potential to, they have the discipline, they have a good head on their shoulders, and they say, I don't have the time. I only have 15 minutes a day where I can take a look at their, not even that, not even that. It takes 5 minutes at most to pull up your charts, look at the shit, and see and know if there's something good there or not. Know if you can make a move or not, and know where you want it to go. Then you go on about your day. You go on about your business. You don't sit here and look at the damn charts nonstop. When I'm not streaming, I'm not sitting googly-eyed at the screen. I know what I'm looking for. If I'll have my protection set, my profit set, and you go on about your day, and you come back another time. But when it's streaming, it's a different. I'm sitting here shackled. I'm shackled. I don't watch anime, brother. Um, and many time when you look at the chart, it's not as good as an opportunity as it was before. You can't. It's like, oh fuck, an hour ago would have been the time to get in, but now it's like, how much is there? Is there enough juice left? You can't, you know, always be there. Um, yeah, and like I said, it's an ugly world out there right now. Um, it's ugly out there. Yes, I swing. I do all kinds of trades, man. All kinds. We swing. We scalp. We swalp. Bitcoin. Commodities. Stock market. It's all about the what windows of opportunity are there. Like there is no I do half this and half that, or only do this and only do that, or use this time frame, not that time frame. It's always changing, man. It's the windows. of opportunity are diverse. And Bitcoin. To be real funny. I mean, look at this damn spider line. Boy, I tell you. That shit is something else, huh? Can you zoom in? This first one was nuggy sandwich right in between. Came in halfway right here now. I wonder. Now, how similar does it look like this? Oh, fuck. This is really look how oops. Yeah, you know what this does is it just fucking drives these people crazy, man. This space, like let's say it goes up and it is more sideways. It just everywhere. It's so ugly. Um, as of now, it's playing into where it's playing into the same type of situation. It dies down, the volatility goes down, and then it has to find it. It goes and it can't find it up, and then it finds it down. Uh, Now the daily certainly did not look like this, or it does not look like this. It looks a lot more like this, right? Yep, certainly looks more like a bottom on that one. does. Wow, the first amigo. We don't see him that often. Do I post all my trades on Discord, entry and exit? Hell no. Interesting. Interesting. Isn't that funny how that works, folks? Isn't that funny how that works, folks? Isn't that funny? I need to redo the tutorials and make them much. Uh, I need to redo my tutorials. I've been saying it for a long time, but um, you know, the marketing of market ciphers kind of leveling up, so to speak. I never spent money on marketing, you know, never had to, never um, needed to. But we are growing. Man, the amount of people that have Market Cipher or have bought Market Cipher is pretty insane. And more now than before. I'm speaking with people that you know, more people. Celebrities, owners of other businesses, and um, most of them want to do something. And so I got to make sure my tutorials are good for someone who's brand spanking new, has no idea who the hell you or me is or who we are. I'm a little long-winded in my tutorials. There's certainly a few more things I want to add into tutorials. Organize better. I like that tutorial though, because it's before, during, and after a single trade using basic strategy. That was fun. And those were videos that were made. Those, I mean, like when I made the video, it was posted. So it wasn't like I did it and hoped that the trade went well. You know, it was out there. And yeah, if shit could have hit the fan, it could have not worked out, you know. But it was a good trade, good setup, basic strategy, and it works. I will have much better audio quality than this headset I'm using right now. The only reason I'm using this because the one that's this computer's messed up, man, and I got to hook up my new computer to this one. I use my new computer for other stuff. Um, but this one, you know, she's been running for a long time. But like weird, it has weird little problems. Like fucking, if I plug in speakers, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. And with the headset, with the better microphone, it like doesn't work on this computer anymore. What the hell is this thing you guys are posting? What's this? What is this square? What does that mean? What's the meme that means? What the hell is it? I my first guess is it's like something grosser, and I need to hide it. What is that shit? I don't see a B. What do you mean a B? I don't see any image in this thing. How's it a Bitcoin B? It's not a Bitcoin B. I don't see a B. Bitcoin. Yeah, maybe it shows different. It looks totally like random shit to me. This is no B that I see. This is no B that I see. Definitely no B. It looks like a vagina to me. That's what it looks. It looks like a vagina. That's what I see. Like a sideways yellow. Yeah, print screen and show. That's what I was gonna do. Let me print screen and show. This does not look like a Bitcoin B to me. This looks like some random shit. My guess it was some fucking political message. The latest political message. So, I saw, fucking, what's that guy's name? James Peterson. Uh, he talks like this. Incels. He sounds like him and Michael Saylor are gonna be at the, him and Michael Saylor are gonna be on stage together and be like, well, the Bitcoin. I also like Bitcoin. Well, the tendency of structure of humanity's really dependent on its inner nature of its male propaganda. What do you think about that, Michael Saylor? Well, I think that's a great idea, James Patterson. When am I going to offer a discount? Tell you what, brother, I got something better for you. But, you're gonna have to be fast. Those are 4. Oops! Those are 4 one-year market cipher free codes. The first people, first come, first serve. Let me put them all the correct. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. There's 4. Good luck. They each work one time for a one-year market cipher package. Yeah, really? That still works for me, but wouldn't be surprised if we hit it. Awesome. Good job. There's 3 more. Yeah, use it wisely. Just take confident positions, confident trades. You should feel like you have no choice but to take it. I need a drink. Alrighty. Ah. He is just perched. Well, not perched. Perch would be if she's perched on top. She is mooshed. Well, and would you look at this 30-minute, little 30-minute clip in here? You're just joining us. This trade has mostly been exited. I guess we still have 150K on the board, but 43 profit. Would make up for my last 3 little. Keep your losses small. You know, you got to keep the losses small. and then you can make it back easier. But yeah, overall, the daily, interesting, interesting. Although, see what happens here. There was a fight right here between the two months. They came and they clashed, and they went. But I wonder if this is enough to break out of it. Could be. Could be. Pour out. A little jagged, but, you know, interesting. Um, I would hope so. He actually messaged me back earlier today, but I was asleep. And so, I'm trying. I do want to have a part three. You know, there was actually we've actually done a little stream together twice, but the first time I believe I was really shit faced, and I didn't remember it. I just saw it yesterday. I was like, what? It was like Richard Hard Crypto Face, and it was like from fucking 4 years ago. Yep, 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 yep. They are 1 year coupons. Congratulations, crypto pimp. It ain't for the lifetime, it's for the 1 year. Hopefully. Uh, oh. Wow, corn. Prawn. Prawn buckling up, man. Man. Ripples at 76 cents. So my thoughts are all the same. Um, if Bitcoin goes up, they all will too. You know, she just hasn't had the legs lately. She hasn't had the legs. There's been thick resistance, support. She's just been getting sandwiched, man. You know? Sometimes it's just better to chill. And sit back and mind to your own damn self. Hex TA, let's take a look. Let's take a look at that. Mm, mm. Yikes. Yeah, I mean, this shit is so deep and long in the red. Like, it comes up, it's just like, yay, temporary. Oh, shit. Oh, it starts all over again. You know? That's what I'm thinking really about the whole market. That's like really what, I'm not saying I think that's gonna happen. I just, I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen. Um, but momentum is going up. The money flow is nice. The RSIs are green. So there is something for sure there. I get it. I want a long. I want a long. I want a long. But not everything is there. Don't know how long and strong. How long, how strong. Don't know. Don't really care, to be honest with you either. I don't really care. What difference does it make? It's like being tired of the same girl. It's like we've seen everything. We've seen all of this before. Different. Doesn't have that excitement. Another man's trash. Your trash. This pump just got immediately dumped, man. This one, that's kind of a big deal, guys. This is a 5% pump, and it got just crushed right back fucking down, man. Or is it just that pre-telling wick? I ain't saying heaven. All Bitcoin. All. All. Thanks, brother. Appreciate the donation. All goes to charity. Ugh. Alrighty, folks. We're gonna call tonight. Good trade, 43K profit. Yippee-yi-yo-ki-yay. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you have a good day. And we'll see what happens. I don't know. Maybe I'll be back in a trade. Maybe not. But maybe I will. Later, folks.